I am here with Stanley, one of the horses. It's part of Buggy Lane Tours. We're actually going to be taking a tour with Chuck, driven by Kenny this morning. But just really enjoying a beautiful morning out in the Amish country and can't wait to get on the road.